And in this video, we are assembling the A2 Lavender card. I just realized too, I picked white again for my base, so I'm going to ink the edges of this because it will help with my photography. Okay, so I have, again, this is an A2 card. I've already glued together several of my panels. So I have a double panel for inside the card. This is to help balance the weight from what's on front so that the inside doesn't feel so floppy. So that just goes on the inside there. Now we're going to flip it over. And you just want to just eyeball that. Give yourself a nice even border all the way around. Now this I'm going to set off to the left side a little bit. And you just want to eyeball that. So I have this pail here. It has a panel piece for the bottom and then one up closer to the top. We'll go right where that spout starts. And now the pieces in here is pretty simple. They're just gonna line up right with the pail. I'm using a relatively new mat. It's not a new blade, and I didn't have any trouble cutting these pieces, but you may want to make sure that your mat and your blade are in good working order because these pieces are a little bit delicate. I think maybe I should also pop this. I've already put some foam tape on my with sympathy, so I might have to add another layer to get that up a little bit higher. I'm just gonna center this guy right in here. Now I did actually cut this with my machine, the with sympathy. But I can tell you that that is insanely small. So I don't know. I don't know if you want to enlarge that or... But there it is, and that went together pretty quickly. And that is the Lavender A2 card. Thank you for joining me.